How you doing? I know I said I was gonna go live last night and do makeup, but unfortunately that didn't work out. I need to clean my makeup brushes, so give me this week to clean, and then maybe this weekend I'll do a makeup tutorial on live with you guys. But I thought I would do a grocery haul with you instead. I know this is different, this is a beauty channel, but I do share some cooking on my Insta stories and stuff like that. So I thought instead of doing a makeup live, let's do a grocery haul. I am waiting on a Whole Foods order through Amazon. They should be coming any time now. If they come while I'm still on live, I'll show you those items. But I have everything pretty much laid out that I bought this morning. So let me show you. And like most of you know, I am plant-based. So this is some of the items I eat on the regular. Not everybody in my household is plant-based. I would say my kids are vegetarian, and then my husband is of course a meat eater. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you what I got. Okay, I got everything laid out here. I'm gonna go slow so everybody can see. I literally am just putting the groceries away, and I was like, let me do this haul for them. Got some water over there. Okay, so let's start here. These are spicy ramen. I just love these noodles. They're so spicy, they're so good. Just like to eat them sometimes. Got these at Aldi's, and I'll let you know where I got everything from. I picked this bread up from Sprouts. This is the okay, so my Whole Foods order is coming. This is the sprouted wheat bread. I love to eat this bread when I'm in the mood to make like tomato avocado sandwich. So with some vegan mayonnaise, so yummy. I did pick up some lemons down there, and there's some avocado I picked up too, and bananas. Here is some walnuts. So I like to use walnuts for my meatless meat. Like if I want to make tacos or like a stroganoff, I love to use walnuts. Really good for your brain. Pick this up at Aldi. Really, really affordable. I got some honey here for my husband. Then I picked up, here's one of my snacks that I've been enjoying lately, is the dark chocolate and sea salt granola. It's gluten-free. It has really good stuff in there. It's really good if you're in the mood for something sweet. And I love dark chocolate. Then I have some pizza crust. These are for my daughter. She loves mini pizzas, so I make her cheese pizza. I'm not really a big fan on giving her a lot of dairy, but she likes cheese pizza, so sometimes I give her regular cheese, or I'll give her vegan cheese. It just depends on what I have. But I'm just learning as a parent, even though I have my diet, what I ideally shoot for myself, I still have to let my kids eat what they want to eat, even though they're little. And if I notice they like something, because she's going through like a little picky stage with her eating, so I just let her have that and just, you know, pump her with a lot of fruits and vegetables, and, you know, just other things to balance out the dairy. And then I picked up, this is another one of my favorite snacks. This is Justin's dark chocolate and peanut butter cups. These are really, really good. So I just like that. You know, when it's your time, when your Aunt Flo is in town, you want something really, really sweet, and that hits the spot. Here's some popcorn I picked up from Target. This popcorn is a fave in my household. My daughter loves this popcorn. I love it too because it has a pull open, and you can reclose it, and it keeps it fresh. Yes, baby. What? Okay. Mom's just talking to the people. Hold on a second. Then I picked up some of these. These are my favorite tortilla chips. I got these from Aldi's. I got 2 bags. I like to make nachos during the week for myself, or for, you know, the kids like to snack on those too. These are our favorite graham crackers. Got these at Aldi's. Everybody eats these in my household. I don't really try to buy a lot of snacks, but this is a regular snack I buy for everybody. Everybody eats these. Then I picked up a fresh pineapple. I love pineapple, so I will cut that up. What's the matter? What? You want chips? Okay. Yeah, I already got to open some chips for her. Chips. Let me put you guys down for a second. Here, let me get you a bowl. Hold on. Okay, and then next up we have the cashews. So I used this brand from Aldi's, the Simple Nature. These are pretty affordable. These are like $8.15, and I love to get the raw cashews without salt because I like to season it. So I use this for my cheese sauce, for nachos, anything. So this makes my cheeseless sauce and nacho cheese. Then I picked up some avocados. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to be making some avocado tomato sandwiches, and I love to have tomatoes with it. I picked up some red onions. Going to be making some fish stew today. Dates, of course. I love these. These are actually pretty affordable at Aldi. Picked these up for $4.50, and I like to use these dates in my smoothies instead of using like before I was using like concentrated date syrup, but that was a little too much because it made it a little too sweet. But I normally use like maybe 2 dates per batch of smoothies I make. And I've been really enjoying making smoothies lately. I feel like I don't even have time to eat, but it's a quick, easy thing for me to get something in my system. Next up I have chlorophyll. I used to take this along with my silver like clockwork at the beginning of quarantine, but this has been out because there's like a craze from TikTok. Everybody's talking about chlorophyll, but I seen that this was the last one on the shelf, and this is the brand I take. So I just put this in my water, and I found that this helps a lot after you work out. If you feel sore, it's pretty much you're getting the greens, your greens with this. So you can take spirulina. It also has chlorophyll in it. This is just a good for you in your immune system. Next up I have some red bell pepper. I'm going to be making some African food. Jalapeno. If you know, you know. I got some nutritional yeast. I love using this to give things its cheesy flavor, and it has vitamin B12. This is a staple for my nacho cheese sauce. Next up I have some Izzy's. I really try not to drink too much pop or stuff or juice or anything like that. I do like to have this every once in a while. Then I have some cucumbers. Then here's another family snack. These are the baked Cheez-Its or Cheese Nips or whatever you want to call them, the Aldi's brand. I like these. They don't have a weird taste. They actually taste pretty good. Then I have my juices. I tried one of their juices, one of Aldi's brands, recently. These green juices, and they're not that bad. They're about $2.80 a bottle. So sometimes, I think lately I just have not really been in the mood to eat a lot of food. So I either just do a smoothie, or I like to have these juices on hand, and these are really delicious. If you just want something light, like in the morning when I wake up, I just either have a smoothie or a juice, and then maybe I'll have a meal during lunchtime, or even at night I'll just drink one of these. And then I stand for these daily shots. I normally take Viva Organic, but Aldi has their own brand, Vitalife. And this one tastes a little different because it has pineapple juice, but I still love it. I take these daily if I have them. And it's just a really good thing to take for your immune system. I'm all about preventative measures. Then I picked up some chunky salsa to go with the chips and the nachos that I'm going to be making this week. Then I have some coconut water. I like to use coconut water in my smoothies. I know I was seeing recently online that it's not good to drink it from the box, but this is where I'm at with the coconut water. Maybe eventually when I go to like Jamaica or somewhere, I could taste the difference. I know there's probably a big difference in taste, but this is what I'm doing right now. Boxed coconut water. Then I picked up some sushi. This is cucumber and avocado and carrots in here. And I got this at Sprouts. Then I got some portobello mushrooms. Picked these up at Aldi's. And then I did get some Beyond Burgers. I don't eat this stuff all the time. Sometimes I'm in the mood to have it. I'll probably just put this in the freezer for later this week. Then I have some frozen foods. Got some peas. Got some mango chunks and strawberries for smoothies. And then I do have some tater tots for the kids. And that's pretty much it. So I went to, actually, I'm a little tired because I went to Target. Because I get the Arrowhead water from Target. Eventually I'll be switching to the glass. I know the glass is better than the plastic. I go to Target. Picked up some other things from Target like diapers and wipes. I got myself, let me show you. I got this really, really cute purse. I think it's cute. And I got some new loungewear for myself, but I thought this was so cute. I was like, let me treat myself. This is so cute. And so I went to Target, Aldi, Sprouts. Yeah, I only did 3 stores, and then I have a Whole Foods order that I'm expecting, and it just has like some all-purpose flour. They had a sale on Red Meals, the brand Red Meals, so I got some flour, I got some spelt flour, I got some chickpea flour, I got some like trumpet mushrooms, stuff like that, non-perishable stuff. But I won't hold you guys because you know how it is with toddlers. You don't know, you know. So I will, if you guys like these type of videos from me, leave me a comment down below. I definitely am a foodie. I grew up in a household where my dad was the cook. Now that I think about him and how he was with food, I just hope I can just give my kids just a little bit of that love in my food. So that is my goal. And I just, now being a mom and having kids of my own, I can just appreciate how hard my dad worked. It's gonna make me cry. Making all his meals. I mean, when I think about it, I just am grateful for those memories with him. The anniversary of his passing is coming up, so I just am grateful for him. He really did a lot. Now that I'm living it myself, it's a lot of work when you take care of your household. So yeah, so guys, if you like these type of hauls from me, let me know. Of course, you know, I'm still beauty related, but I am a mom too. So, but I will see you guys later. And like I said, I will do a makeup tutorial with you guys later this week after I clean up my brushes. I didn't want to, you know, I want to just start with fresh brushes and then we can play with some new stuff. I got that Huda Beauty palette I still need to use in that Kat Von D foundation. So we'll see what we can get into. But I will see you guys later. Bye. And let me show you one more time all the stuff. So you, if you watch this, you can see. I already opened the chips. They like the chips. The chips are pretty good. Don't mind that. That's pounded. Let's see. I am going to go put all this stuff away and decide what we're having for lunch. And then I have more water right there. So, alright guys, appreciate you for watching. I hope you like content like this from me. This is normal day, everyday stuff. So, I will see you guys later. Bye.